Good morning, student. Today I am going to explain you the poem Banyan Tree. This poem was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Let's start our poem. O you shaggy-headed banyan tree, standing on the bank of the pond, have you forgotten the little child, like the birds that have nested in your branches and left you? In these lines, the speaker asking the banyan tree, first he is addressing the banyan tree as shaggy headed. Shaggy headed means thick, long and untidy branches of a tree. Banyan tree has long, thick and untidy branches. So the speaker is saying banyan tree shaggy headed. And the banyan tree was near a pond. The speaker is asking the banyan tree if he had forgotten the little child, like the birds who make their shelter in the branches of banyan tree. Do you not remember how he sat at the window and wondered at the tangle of your roots and plunged underground? Again the speaker asking the banyan tree if he did not remember how the little boy sat at the window and surprised to see the tangled. Tangle means twisted roots of the banyan tree. And the boy surprised to see the twisted root of banyan tree and plunged means jumped with energy. The women would come to fill their jars in the pond, and your huge black shadow would wriggle on the water like sleep struggling to wake up. Now, the speaker is comparing the shadow of the banyan tree to the sleep. When women came to fill their water jar or water pots, the shadow of the banyan tree, the huge black shadow, huge means large black shadow, would wriggle. Wriggle means twist and turn with quick movement on the water. When the ladies fill their jar, the shadow of the banyan tree move very quickly, like now the speaker comparing that moment with the sleep struggling to wake up. Sunlight dances on the ripples like restless tiny shuttles weaving golden tapestry. Sunlight, the light of the sun dance on the ripples. Ripples means the tiny waves. When we throw a stone or anything in the water, the tiny waves created by that stone or jar. So the poet is talking about those tiny waves. The sunlight was dancing on the tiny waves, and he was comparing those light or those waves with shuttles of a weaver when he make tapestry. Tapestry is a design on the cloth, shuttles which weavers use. Two ducks swam by the weedy margin. Margin means border, above their shadow. Two ducks are swimming at the border of the pond above the shadow of banyan tree, and the border of the pond was full of weeds, and the child would sit still and think, and the child was sitting very quietly and thinking. He longed to be the wind. Long means strong desire or wish, and the child want to be the wind and blow through your resting branches, and he wanted to blow through the branches of banyan tree to be your shadow and lengthen with the day on the water. And the child also want to be the shadow of banyan tree and want to become long with the day on the water, to be a bird and perch on your topmost twig. And the child also want to become a bird and wanted to sit. Perch means sit or rest on the topmost. Twig means small or delicate branch on the top small branch of the banyan tree, and to float like those ducks among the weeds and shadow. And he also wanted to become duck and wanted to swim on the weeds and on the shadow of banyan tree.